It's a perfect day for wing lighting. Let's hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. Hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over bird just like that, but without the fish damage. Which is a terrible thing if we'll save you. Stay calm. Check out the sights on the way here. You found Berg's Chronicle nest. Yay! There's nothing funny or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Gang, I'm kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're hanging. Okay, hang This is why I love flying. That was some fancy flying you just showed up. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us.